Sorry about that. Good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for the notice. You're absolutely right. Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone has an amazing day. Thanks for joining. Vire, good morning. TK, good morning. Trader's Trick, good morning. What? So glad this got recommended. Let's go, baby. Finally, YouTube. Maybe lifted off my shadow ban. Hansman, good morning. Welcome, guys. Mike Richardson, good morning. Cody M, TGIF. Yes, sir. It is Friday. It is Friday. Huh. Amazing. Absolutely amazing here. Kind of getting a nice bounce here. Not sure what it's going to lead to, though. Whoo. Okay. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm up. Currently, if you guys don't know, we are doing a 50K challenge. We are going to pass a 50K eval on stream. And hopefully, we can do it soon. But the thing is, even if I do it very quickly, it doesn't matter because you still have to trade at least seven trading days. So if I finish it in 3 days or 4 days, 5 days, does not matter. As long as I finish it before 7 days, that's what matters. And I'm currently at $1,283 on this account. If you guys don't know, to pass a 50K account, in order to get funded, you need to pass an eval and make $3,000 in the eval without hitting the trailing threshold. If you guys don't know, there are two numbers here. If you look on the top left of your screen, oh, I made it so you can't see the cursor. The account where it says balance, that's my current balance. Where it says threshold value, that's the trailing threshold. And so if my account ever goes down to that number on the left, then my account will get busted, and that includes unrealized gains. That's a trailing threshold. That's what makes passing these evals very difficult. So, pandas, we are almost there. We're gonna pass the 50K eval, and hopefully we'll do well. So, I'll go over my off-stream trades before we get started. On stream, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. I took 4 trades. I lost 3 of them, won 1, so I was 1 and 3 on stream, which is not the best. But after stream, ended up taking this trap off the previous day's high. Took this trap, got my scalp, went always in long on the 5-minute chart. Went in here, scaled in, and then right, always in long 5-minute chart, 2 strong bull bars, ending on our high. Went long here right at the close of this bar. Virtually, there is absolutely no wick here or tail. So that's the only way I can enter if I enter right at the close. I scaled in again on the strong bull bar, and I ended up taking out my profit here around 5 points on both of these. So that was my always in long trade. And also, I took this short here. I went in triple position, 1, 2, 3, second entry short. Also, came in again with this inside bar, and then came down with the break of this bar, which is basically the 5-minute trap. Where were you at? 5-minute trap right here. And I was able to get a nice little scalp right there. And this is why I'm up $1,238. Even during stream, I was negative 750. Because of my trading afterwards and sticking to the plan, I'm up 1,200 from yesterday. So, stick to the plan, pandas. And even though on stream I may make mistakes, if you keep sticking to the plan, things work out. All right, we got a nice chart channel going up here, and got some price action. I'm not sure what's going on. Do we have news today, pandas? I think we do. I think we had news every single day this week, and it's at 10 o'clock. Oh, we actually had news at 8:30. 8:30, was that the reason why this moved? No, 8:30 didn't really cause anything. But what we are going to get is a news at 10 o'clock, revised U of M consumer sentiment. I don't think that's going to move the market at all, to be honest. Next week, what do we have? Next week, we have some big numbers. Thursday, probably your biggest number. Actually, no, Tuesday and Thursday are pretty big. I think maybe Tuesday. Well, there's some news next week. I'm not sure if any of these are make or break your account type news events, but Is it just me or the news has been weak? Is it just me or the news has been just like weaker than usual? Like there was a time where news literally would move the markets like 20 points, like one bar, 20 points. Now it's like you're lucky if you even get like 5 points on news. I don't know. The news has been like, it's been mid. It's been mid. But next week we have news almost every single day except Monday. If you want really big news, like if you want to make or break your account type news event, then you're gonna have to wait probably till 2 weeks Thursday CPI numbers. I mean, that's from the news in the next 2 weeks. Thursday, August 10th is when I see the biggest news that I think will move the markets enough where you can basically make or break your account. Next week, I don't know, maybe any one of them can really. I mean, Tuesday and Thursday are probably your best bets. But I mean, if you really want to be like safe about it, then it'd be Thursday. And again, you have to trade 7 trading days anyways, and so yeah, I mean, you're gonna have to hold a little bit longer, but I don't know. Depends on how safe you want to be in terms of the news. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Reloading my historical. Let's see if it looks different. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. So Harry says maybe push up at open. It's 50-50. At the open, it can either reversal or keep going up. It's 50-50 pretty much.
$10,000 tick trap.
Okay, I think it does look a little different. Give me a chart check. Let me know if it looks similar to your charts. Good morning, guys. Ralph Gruns asks, how long can you hemorrhage money like this, Panda? Not sure what money I'm hemorrhaging, but trick question. I'm not hemorrhaging money. GC Burke, that was some sell-off yesterday. Yes. That's crazy. Mike Richardson, that's good now. Facundo, yeah, yesterday was crazy. What a move down. Big Mama triggers. Just amazing move. Incredible. Oh, that negative 125. I'm sorry, pandas. I'm down $1.25 right now. And that's because it's a micro trade. It's a micro trade. I took a trade of the micro, scalped it in and out. I mean, think about $1.25. Copying that across multiple accounts. If you copy that across 10 accounts, you're currently down more than $10 altogether. Absolutely incredible. Gabe, if you want to know what Big Mama is, join the pre-market show. I go over all the rules on it, but on the mainstream, you guys just get to see it, and we talk about it. I talk a lot about it. Like, I actually pretty much gave all the details about it already on stream. Just gotta watch it. But I don't, number one rule about Big Mama: don't talk about Big Mama. Number 2 rule: don't talk about Big Mama. It's just because I don't want people just to come steal Big Mama from us and just leave. I want them to actually be part of this community. And that's part of it. You guys got to watch. You got to be part of it. If you want to see Big Mama, if you want to know, then you got to watch the stream and see it when it triggers. Ralph Grunt says margin call. But if you're a panda, I answer basically all your questions about Big Mama. So this 50K challenge is doing well. We're up. Now I didn't realize I was down 125. So when you guys were saying I'm down big, you guys are joking. I got it. I'm taking things too sensitive here. Being a little too sensitive here. Hey, market's about to open 1 minute. Daily chart looks wild. Just absolute trading range right now. Trading range indicator also giving us a trading range here as well. And we can continue to be in this trading range. I don't know if we're going to break the top of it. Even if we do we really want to take Big Mama there? Maybe. Just maybe. Do I want to go long? Second entry long? Maybe. It's getting a little choppy here, to be honest. But we're still in this channel up. And we can hit our heads right here on these pivot highs. We have a large gap on the 5-minute chart. Market just opened.
10,000 tick trap.
Maybe I'll take a trap, but I don't know if I want to. Okay, pushing up, breaking this high. Sitting on my pause here, 5-minute large gap, as you can see from the close to the open. There's a gap on my 5-minute chart because I only chart the regular trading hours, as you guys can see. Only the regular trading hours are marked here. Gab says, that's sad. I've been a panda for 6 months, but recently it's been rough, so I can't really be a panda anymore. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Hope you fall on better times. Okay, we keep grinding up here. Sitting on my pause. I don't have a setup here. Just watching. Okay. Pushing down. Don't really have much here. If you guys are just joining, I am starting a new 50K challenge. And we are up $1,200 some dollars. And we are looking mighty fine on this account right now. We're almost halfway there. And basically it's been 1 day of trading, so... There is only 1 day left to use BBM80. Make sure you guys take advantage of it. Ends on Monday. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome, welcome. Let me say good morning to a couple more of you guys that you guys have joined. Emmanuel, good morning. Donna, good morning. Samantha, good morning. Kim, good morning. Kyle Uberts, good morning. Murat, good morning. Welcome. Christopher, good morning. Zahari, good morning. GC Burke, welcome. Christopher, good morning. Ralph Gruns, welcome, welcome. Mike Richardson, good morning. Mo7, good morning. Aaron Korn, welcome. Wayne Bignall, good morning, guys, good morning. Welcome, everybody, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. We are just like inching along here on the 20 EMA. I just don't really have a setup. Do I want a second entry long here? It's sketchy. It's sketchy. If we get a good signal bar, maybe. But I find that this is a little more confusing than anything. We are in an uptrend though, so it makes sense to go long on an uptrend. Possible break a trend to new high already created here. But we're clearly above the 20 EMA. And it's a pretty strong move up. John, good morning. Igor, welcome. Mindful, good morning. Udesh, good morning. Phoenix, welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. So, Pandas, I did a test. I was doing some testing. I was just so curious. I spent yesterday testing this. And I was in the lab working. And I basically did a test of this contract of the September 2023 contract for the EMINI, this one that we're currently on. And I did a test from the beginning of this contract to now and took every single Big Mama. And I want to see if Big Mamas was still profitable even after getting hit 7 times.
Tick trap.
Essentially 7 times without really winning. And even with 7 hits, Pandas, without winning, Big Mama's still very profitable on this contract because it has won so many times before. So you know, Big Mama's still good. It's just you gotta be prepared to take some potentially big drawdowns. Like with FOMC, drawdown was quite large. So Big Mama's still good. We're still taking it. We still love Big Mamas. You guys want to see some fib retracing right now? I'm somewhat of a technical chart analysis myself. All right, we're going to find the retracement from here to here. And we're going to bounce off. We're going to buy off the 50. The 50% retracement. Is 50, you know, the thing is 50 even a fib retracement? Or they just like to have it on the charts? If you guys want to see, you know, why this bounce, if you look at the fib retracement, you see how it comes back down to the 61.8, bounces off of it perfectly. I'm just kidding. There's no way to have known that at that point. Here you'll see that almost goes at the 50% mark. Fib is really only good because it's very colorful. Makes it very fun. We're gonna fail second entry long here. A little too far away from 20 MA. Mindful says, pair that with the breaker buster order block golden arrow bullet for a 12,000 win percentage. You're over 100% win percentage. It's amazing. Teach me your ways. Fail second entry long. Do I like this price action to go down? Just too far away from 20 MA. I would definitely be breaking some rules by entering short here, Pandas. I would definitely be a bad boy if I went short here. A little too far away from 20 MA. But if you like the move down, then this, like if you think this is reversing, then this is your setup. He says, have I tried backtest with the 101 on Big Mamas like 5 points? Yes, I have. I have tested that. I have tested a 1-to-1 with Big Mamas. Good question. Very good question. A, B, C. You guys want to see some more secret indicators? Let's see here. Bollinger Bands are definitely good. We'll throw those on there. Let's also throw in the, let's see what else. MACD. Let's throw in the RSI, definitely good. What else should we throw on here? Do they have let's see. Volume weighted moving average. Is that the same thing as a VWAP? Let's throw that on there too. All right, perfect. And as you can see, with all these indicators combined, we can get some really good signals here. I think I need more. Definitely need more indicators. I'm just joking. That trap does fail. If we got trapped to the other side, maybe make a new high. I actually like the trap going long here better. But again, too far away from 20 May. It does work out for a perfect scalp. Looking for the absolute scalp, maybe. Makes a new high here at this point. Get a fail second entry short here, and it does give you a nice push up. I would probably not have admit to get a retracement there if I tried, but again, far away from 20 MA, cannot take that trade. But two strong bull bars like this makes it feel like it's going to really go up. This line here is this ledge created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hits all in one spot. It may try to get to that ledge. Putting the volume indicator on a tick chart is really hilarious. If anyone does that, slap them, please, on my behalf. Say bye bye money says slap you. This is from bye bye money and slap them. If someone puts the volume on a tick chart, please slap them. This is the volume. Volume on a tick chart. It's all the same because every candle already is 2,000 transactions. You can see with 2,000 transactions, actually, it's about 1.5 contracts per transaction. So actually, maybe a little useful. So you know that's what institutions are trading essentially. You're thinking they're trading huge orders, but they're trading about 1 to 2 contracts per transaction. Pandas. Ticks is ticks. All right. Continue to push up here. Let's see what happens. Very curious. Pandas, can you believe it's already almost August? We're almost finished with the third quarter. Can you believe it? This year has flown by. Incredible. soon, like next year, it'll be my 4th year of trading already. Crazy, 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 crazy. We got a little second entry long here, maybe a little trick happening. I don't feel confident in anything. It does look like an uptrend, but we're floating around here now with the L4 setup. We already have break a trend to new high, I would say. Maybe something like this, rather. Something like that. Could be even off these. Break a trend to new high here. That looks a little better. It looks a little cleaner to me. So, am I looking to go long here? Not really. Not really. I'm not looking to go long. All right. Okay. Fail second entry long here. I'll be interested. What can I say, Pandas? I'm interested in this. I'm a glutton for pain. Here we go. Okay. That looks pretty bullish now. Looks like it's trying to actually push off here. Second entry long. It's a hard one to take because you already have break a trend to new high here. It's a decently strong bull bar, but I'm going to take the trap here because, again, I'm a glutton for pain. Let's get it. 2 contracts so I can have a runner. Because this could potentially be a strong reversal today. We're going to try to catch it early, Pandas. Let's even get a runner. In this trade. Okay, decent entry bar. Not much follow through right now. I'm a little nervous. You know, the moment you enter the trade and it starts to reverse like this, you know it's not a good sign. It's typically not a good sign, and it kind of sucks. It is what it is, though. I took the setup. I liked it. Break a trend to new high. The only problem is not really near any type of resistance. It's kind of just floating in midair. I might get stung by this one. It might bite me in the tail, but I like pain. Yeah, I like pain. Yeah. Pain, yes. I like it. That is not a good sign. That's not good follow through, Pandas. We close underneath the 20 MA. Not the worst. Okay. I'll take that. Okay. All right. Micro triple bottom. Okay. Oh, there is news at 10. It may be causing this to go sideways because we got news at 10. The news probably won't move the market much, but it is news, so it is considered to be high impact news. I might get bit in the tail here. Ouch. Right off the gate, right out of the gates here. You know my rule. Pandas. Stay greedy. Stay greedy, my friends. Why would you give me a trap trade here if you're not going to trap? Why would you trap the trappers? Good move up now. Ends up being nice second entry long. Fail second entry short. Fail second entry long, I mean. Fail second entry long, double trap. A, B, C. Second entry long. Fails. Then that fails. Double trap. Thanks. I mean, I like pain, so I enjoyed that very much. This is every trade I take on stream. Jeez. What in the world? Can I please win a trade? That's all I ask for. I took it with 2 because I thought it would be a nice reversal potentially because we had the trap here. Now I'm not thinking short right now. I'm thinking long. I'm thinking long. Like the fact that this failed, I'm trying to go long now. If we get a setup, I'll try to go long. We do have news at 10 in about 10 minutes. Iron Cruise, Michael Chin 1-0, Panda 0-1. I'm pretty sure this is a trap. Definitely is a trap, but I'm reloading my historical just in case something's off again. Okay, we're pushing up pretty high now. No entries though. Now no entries. I mean, you got to break a trend to new high. What do you expect? I mean, we are in an uptrend as well, like a pretty big uptrend. So maybe I missed something, right? Maybe I missed like a bigger uptrend. Maybe I missed this uptrend, something like that. I don't know. I might have missed something. Saturn returns. Bro, I told you not to take that trap. Why didn't you listen? Dude, why didn't you listen to me? Illuminated nothing as how do I animate my face? It's my face. I mean, it's just what I am. It is a trap trade here. Double trap here. And the reaction of the double trap is nice. Actually pushes higher. I might have missed something. I don't know, Panis. You tell me. Now that has failed, it's like, you know, with hindsight bias, we know it's going to fail. But during the actual setup, not the worst. Not the worst setup to take. But now we have this channel working. Hopefully be accurate. Toman says, how do you not animate your face? Such a good question. Hugh says, I've always wondered what the possibility is of the anime software glitching and showing your real face. It can't. It won't. There's nothing in there that will like show your face. The worst thing that can happen is it just doesn't track your face anymore. JLV says, I've been in a 2-month drought. So far this year, I turned my $300 investment into evals, PAs, and got $16,000 out of it, hoping to get out of this slump. Pandas. Imagine putting $300 into a machine, and out on the other side, you get $16,000. Dante asks, are my ears fake? I've been called out. I've been called out. My ears are fake. Illuminated nothing. It's a software called Animes. We've been talking about it for quite a while now, and I guess you haven't caught on, trap. But yes, the software is called Animes. TDL asks, Panda, what actor do you most resemble? Obviously, Kung Fu Panda. I don't even know his name. I don't even know the name of Kung Fu Panda. Is it Ping? Poe. That's right, Poe. Rot. Probably has kids. Or not. Or just really loves Kung Fu Panda. ABC. Maybe. ABC, maybe. 7 more minutes of news. We already got hit with one trade with a trap. I took with two contracts because of the potential of a runner. And I got hit. I got punished. I got punished, Pandas. I got punished. What can I say? By the way, Pandas, if you guys want to know all my off-stream trades I took on this stream account, you guys can watch the beginning of the show, and I go over all my trades I took yesterday. So if you guys are curious, then you guys can check it out. It's there for you. I do it on the stream, so it's all recorded. Trap trade maybe on the 10,000 tick chart. We're pretty close to this ledge. Eh. Hugh says, when I was younger, I used to make frequent calls to a place for my job. The voice on the end of the call sounded amazingly hot. When I finally met her in person, she was not hot. You can do a little bit better on your storytelling, but that's a pretty funny story. I wonder if anyone else has had that experience. I think they've done like some sitcoms on that. Like you try to get a date based on the voice, and then when they actually meet the person, they're not very like physically attractive. Which is weird. Like, how can you tell if someone looks good by their voice? Obviously, you can tell I look amazing by my voice, but other than me, how could you tell? I think the thing is, for some guys, even though they don't look physically attractive, their voice can make them look attractive to women, I think. I don't know. I don't identify as a woman. I'm not a woman. I don't know. Maybe I can identify as a woman for a split second and say that's true. But if there are any women here, they can confirm that. Like, the voice makes you look more attractive. Illuminate Nothing says, Ray Charles used to hold women's wrists. I remember watching that in the movie. A voice can make you not attractive, though. Ah. Toman says, I always order fast food in a deeper voice, hoping the cashier lady would give me more sauces. Or throw an extra chicken nugget in my bag. Interesting. RP says, a great personality helps for sure. Personalities are overrated. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, Pandas. I'm just joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Take a joke. Chill pill. Daily dosage of chill pill. Please take it. We got a second entry long potential here, but I don't like how it's like creating a terrible signal bar underneath the 20 EMA, closing underneath the 20 EMA pretty strongly now. You cannot take this long. Or can you? Yeah. Do I want to take this long now? Theranos. Second entry long here. Sure. Why not? Why not, Pandas? It's a good looking signal bar coming off our 20 minute, also coming off our trend line. Why not? Why not give it a shot? What's the worst that could happen? Oh no. Don't trap me. Come on. Come on, don't trap me again. Do not trap me, please. Please don't trap me. This wants to trap me, huh? This wants to trap me. This surely wants to trap me. Got two key areas bouncing off of now with a nice signal bar. How could you not take this trade? Amazing. Oh boy, it's gonna trap me. Pandas! Thoughts and prayers. Feel the heat. Trap me trigger. Okay, good. Yes, that's the right way. No! Ah! Why? 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 No! Don't trap me! I took the trap here, fails. I take the long here, this fails. Pandas. Oh no! I feel the heat. I'm feeling the heat, pandas. Hey, what do I say? Stay greedy, my friends. We are leaning into this one, pandas. We're surely leaning into this one.
5-minute trap.
Pandas? Leaning into it? Oh boy.
10,000 tick
Stay greedy,
trap.
my friends. Stay greedy. Leaning into it now. Huh? What the? What the? What? Why? Why? No! Tick shot! Why? Just tickled me. Just tickled my underbelly. Just tickled my underbelly for no reason. What? Pandas! No! What? No! Pandas! What's going on? What is that? What is that? Pandas, what is that? Why? What? Why? Why would you do that to me? Pandas! Oh my god! Feeling the heat now again. What is going on? Okay. Pandas, I don't know. I'll take it though. Whatever happens, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. My fate is sealed. I will accept whatever happens to me. It just looks good. Okay. Tickles my target. Tickling. Let's go, baby. I was just kidding, pandas. I was kidding. You thought I was... You thought I was nervous? You guys are dumb. I was not nervous. If you were nervous, it's because you guys are bad at trading. I was not nervous, pandas. I mean, obviously I was gonna make that trade. Obviously, I knew that this was not... Pandas, I was ready just to take the shot right in the tick. Oh man, I was ready for that. But wow, that was crazy. It just spiked up like this. I just thought, okay, and it started reverse, created this very strong bear looking bar, and I just reversed. What can I say, pandas? What can I say? Oh, it was the news. I was in the trade during the news. I can't believe that didn't take me out, pandas. It trapped on the news. I can't believe it didn't take me out. Oh, I made a noob mistake. I traded the news. We're looking pretty good here right now. Obvious target, I think, is this ledge here. But because I have a trailing threshold, I'm not trying to get too much of a big swing. Maybe a 1 to 2 risk reward. Let's take it off here. Okay. This is a 2 to 1 risk reward. I'll take it. Hopefully we can get it without getting stopped out first. Decent push-ups. I think we can get it, pandas. Pandas? Pandas? Is this what I think it is? Pandas. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is, pandas? You guys know what I think it is. You guys know exactly what I think this is. Matthew Dodd, we are starting a new challenge. 50k challenge, 300k challenge was getting old. We already passed that. But pandas, is this what I think it is right now? Is this what I think it is? Free money. Free money, pandas. Free money. Oh gosh, I'm scared. Free money, pandas. Free money. I mean, I'm not nervous at all. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. What? No. 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 Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Why'd I get out of the trade? Why'd I get out of the trade? I got scared. Hey, good skunk. Amazing skunk by Panda himself. You may call me a skunk. Oh my god. What an amazing skunk. I thought it was free money. The market doesn't like me using that term, free money, pandas. It really doesn't. It really doesn't. It really doesn't like free money. It might end up looking okay though. It's a second entry long at this point. Ooh, second entry long. Second entry long. Iron Cruise says, how do you separate your orders like that? You can only separate it if you put in two different orders. So that was a different order. Second entry long here, pandas. Looking for that 2-to-1 still. Wowzers. Oh, your separate orders combined because you didn't select the... You gotta go to properties. Go to... Alright, pandas. If you want your orders to be separate, you right-click the chart trader, go to properties. Look at my Ninja Trader settings, pandas. You guys need to watch the Ninja Trader settings videos on my channel. It goes over this. And you want to select ATM strategy selection mode.
10,000
Keep selected
trap.
ATM strategy template on order submission. So if you select the other one, then it's going to be it's going to combine them. Good skunk, pandas. Good skunk. Amazing skunk. Also, good skip on that second entry long here. Right, you just got stopped out if you did. Please watch the Ninja Trader settings. Welcome to my channel, pandas. I'm Baba Money, and you are currently watching the most amazing community on YouTube verified. I currently took off the tag most profitable trader on YouTube. You know, just temporarily, pandas, temporarily. We'll get it back. Don't worry, we'll get it back. Ceremony says $25 to pass P account. What to do? You gotta get one more scalp with 1 point on the EMINI, I would say, and then just trade micros until the 7 days. That is the way. That is the way, the truth, and the life. Right, it's starting to lose steam, it looks like here. I don't know. I don't know, Panis. Okay, another second entry long. It's a third entry long, but it's a chain of second entries, but gonna skip this one here. And this is not the key area. It's just doji bars. It just looks like it's really crawling here. Okay, decent push up. I'll be more comfortable if it was an H4 setup, not an H3 setup. Way more comfortable with the H4 setup. I've seen it happen too many times. I've seen it happen way too many times where the H3 looks good, but the H4 was actually what the market was waiting for.
10,000 tick trap.
H4 may trigger here. Let's see. If the H4 triggers, I'll take it. I'll take it. Give me an H4. I'll try. I'll try. I still think we're in an uptrend until we're not. I want solid closes beneath the 20 MA. You know, I want something to show me that this is reversing if I'm not going to go long anymore. But as long as we're closing above 20 MA, yeah, I'm interested in going long here. Okay. So it gives you micro double bottom. Doesn't quite give you the setup you're looking for. Oh, H4. All right, H4. This is why I skip the H3 setup. And we may have a nice H4 setup here, which is a better setup than the H3. Basically, it's a fourth entry rather than third entry, or chain of two-legged pullbacks. A, B, C here. Also, A, B, C. Two-legged pullbacks in a row. I'm just telling you, I've seen it happen so many times where people jump the gun and take the H3 setup and not wait for the H4 and get punished for it. This time, you can actually take the H3 and it looks like it's still good on the H4 as well. Decent push up. Now it's like overlapping 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping bars in a row. Or 3 right here, but really it's about 4 or 5 overlapping bars. I'm gonna skip it. I'm not in any rush here. I'm up 133 already. H4 might trigger here. H4 does trigger here, but the signal bar is terrible. Sitting in my pause, looks choppy. Just gonna let this play out. No need to trade here. We'll just let it play out. And if it goes without us, it goes without us. But yeah, it is what it is. It's an ugly looking signal bar, and price action currently is very choppy. And I'm kind of concerned that this actually didn't break this pivot low. Okay, pushes up. Just waiting for this to play out. Closing above the 20 MA, pretty much almost every single candle except these two candles here close beneath the 20 MA. But no gaps, really. No gaps on the 20 MA. This could still be a very strong uptrend. Or it might not be. It's getting choppy. Decent push up here. Okay, it's pushing up now. Looks pretty bullish, I think. It might hit that 2-to-1 risk reward here that I was waiting for. I may buy at the end of this bar if it's a strong bull bar. Thinking we'll hit the 2-to-1. Okay, let's skip it. So you don't scalp out on the H4. But we got free money trade right here. Free money. If we break above here, it's free money. I'm overall glad I just skipped all of this nonsense in my opinion. I think I'm sticking to my rules here by skipping this. Yeah, it's getting very choppy. Free money trade. Do not copy my trades. Every time I say free money, just do the opposite, please. It's free money for you by doing the opposite of what I do. Looks so choppy. Silly trade here. Absolutely nonsense. Do not copy my trades. Could be a double top as well. Absolute nonsense trade here. Get ready for it. For the content. Free money. For the content. For the content. Pandas. For the content. Huh? What's happening? Why? Struggles. Struggling. Oh no. What? What? Struggling. Oh, might be going back in the trading range. Oh, I don't like that. I'm so close to skunking this. I'm so close to skunking this. So close to skunking this. Oh boy. Oh man. So close to skunking nothing. Let's get that 2-to-1. I'm so ready to skunk this if I have to. So ready. I don't like it. Whatever, Pandas. I just love just getting one tick profit, Pandas. I love one tick profit. What can I say? I'm a micro scalper. That's what they call me. I just scalp one tick. I'm like an algorithm. They call me the algo. The panda algo. I'm like a algorithmic trader. High frequency trading manually. Have you ever seen that in real life? You just saw it. Pandas. Absolutely crazy. I don't know what's happening. I'm just saying my pot. It's just too choppy. It's just really at the end too choppy. I'm out. I'm out. Ultimately, good skunk already for me, in my opinion. Bounces off the 20 MA perfectly here. Are we in another free money trade? Like, how many times can they free money this? Just how many times can they do free money on this trade? I'm trying to time this perfectly. Okay. What is happening? I cannot. This is too choppy, pandas. It's too choppy. It's just too choppy. Alright, I'm glad I got out of that trade. It's just nonsense right now. Pandas, we're chilling. We're chilling. I'm up 150. I take it. I take it. That's with commissions, pandas. That's with commissions. Come on. That's with commissions. Up 1,435 right now on this account. Almost halfway there. And it's been only 2 days. I'm just taking the leaves, right? I'm taking bamboo crumbs. I just don't like the fact that this actually reversed past. I don't like it. Even though it might push up here, I just don't like this. The fact that it's an outside bar now. Crazy. I'm sitting my pause, pandas. I'll let this be. I'll let this be. It's just too confusing for me. We are closing clearly above the 20 MA, which is nice. Which is always a nice thing if you're trying to go long. Okay, pushing up. Jeez. Jeez, what a price action right now. It's gonna hit my target, isn't it? There, hits my target. I would have been okay in that trade ultimately because my stop loss would be right here, one tick underneath the signal bar, and I would have ultimately got it, but that would have gave me like a mini heart attack, probably almost tick shot me. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, pandas. It's not worth it. Just gonna let it be. It hits a 2-to-1 risk reward here though. Wild. That's wild. Let's let it be. Always in long on a 5-minute chart, maybe. Huh. Pretty incredible. Hits the 2-to-1 risk reward perfectly and bounces off of it. We can come back to the bottom of the trading range. I really wouldn't be surprised. Like, this doesn't indicate to me strong bullish momentum. This price action, if anything, just looks confusing. But we are clearly above the 20 MA. Even though it's grindy, it is up. It is a clear direction. It's just, yeah, let's just say like it's hard to go long at the break of these when basically you're in a limit order market, right? Even though you're going up, it's still a limit order market, and people are selling, right? There are people scalping by selling above each bar. There are actually people making money who are selling in this really choppy market. That's actually why it's causing this choppiness, right? When the limit order traders are in control, that means there's just not enough conviction in the market. You can tell by the price action that these are limit orders. Right? You don't make a wick like this at the bottom of these candles with a stop order. Stop orders create trends, right? This is a stop order. When you go above here, that's a stop order. But limit order market is when you keep trading within the range of the previous bars. You gotta think of the mind of a limit order trader. I don't do it myself. I'm You know, I try to identify it with hindsight bias to help me tell me in the future what to do. But for me, it's hard. It's hard for me to time limit order markets. Like it's hard for me to time it myself to be able to trade it well. But to recognize it's very helpful, so you know what kind of market you're in and if you should be trading or not. I feel like this is not a time to trade. I feel like this is a limit order market, and limit order market is a death for those. Is the death for those who trade with stop orders. It's not a good market to trade. That was wild though, right here. That was wild. Al Brooks always says you got to make sure if you're in a limit order market or a stop order market. Always try to see who's making money, the bulls or the bears or both. Five-minute chart. If you're confused on a 2000 tick, it's good to look at the higher time frames to get a better picture. And right now, I mean, the 5-minute chart has these huge gaps here. It's hard to tell if we're going to come back to the 20 EMA or not, or if we're just in a super strong uptrend. Really hard to tell. The timing is difficult here. The 5-minute chart may be always in long. We're 2 bull bars now, right? Continuous always long market. 10,000 tick chart. Well, we haven't come back to home base to 20 EMA for a little bit here. And we are just grinding up here as well. So on all time frames, really bullish, but in the short time frame, this could reverse. This could reverse. Again, with the micro double top hitting the 2 to 1 risk reward ratio. Or sorry, the 1 to 2 risk reward. Strong bear bar here. Decently strong bear bar.
$10,000 tick trap.
Huh. Okay, come back to the bottom of the trading range on trading range indicator on 2000 tick chart. I'm glad I just didn't enter any trades here. You know, it's just hard to tell what's going to happen. What is this, pandas? What is this? What is happening? Maybe trap trade to the short side here. I'll consider it. Fail second entry long. Okay, inside bar. Maybe no setup here for us. It might just keep going down without us. Right, it'll just break down the inside bar here and just keep going down. Whereas you would like a little push up to create a fail second entry long so we can enter. But instead, this is the setup inside bar. It's going to go without us. Yep, going without us. Bye-bye market. Bye-bye boat. Never had a chance. Trading range indicator on 2000 tick chart, wildly accurate at the moment. Saying that when we're up here, it says nope, we're still in trading range, and comes all the way back down to the bottom of the trading range here. Letting us know, giving us a warning, saying maybe this is not as strong as you think it is. No setups for me, but called it to go down. I guess that's brownie points. call the right direction. The biggest win of all was just to stay away from this nonsense. That was the biggest win so far. That's the biggest win for me, just to know to not trade this nonsense. We make exactly that perfect 2-to-1 risk reward, or sorry, the 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, and we called it right. To the T, right to the tick. Perfect. Right, perfectly hit it. Decent push down, but sitting on my paw still, because it could be a trading range. At the end, it's good enough just to say I'm confused and just stay away from the market. That is good enough. That alone, having that skill alone, the ability to do that, will save you from a lot of losses. Will save you from a lot of losses. This game is all about losing as little as possible. Because you will lose. The problem is, we lose too big when we lose. We win too small when we win. Trading range, double bottom here. Pushing all the way back up, maybe back to the top of the trading range. Trading range indicator doing its magic. This might as well just be an advertisement for the trading range indicator. Because look how perfectly it's showing us the trading range right now. If you want more information about the trading range indicator, you can go to the official website at www.twoleggedpullback.com. Just watching this. No setup here. No real clue what to do. It's a big down, big up. If anything, I feel like this can go higher now. Or the fact that this had no follow through made a V bottom makes it feel like it's gonna keep going higher. Just hanging out. Up 150 right now. Even after one loss. All these little skunks here along the way. Whew. Bottom. Bottom to the top, back to the bottom, back to the top. Trading range indicator coming to a theater near you. Coming back up. It's pretty bullish now. Just made a V bottom. Should I do something cheeky here? Should I just sell at the next reversal? Get back to the bottom of the trading range? I mean, it's also a double bottom here. Could be a really strong push up here. $10,000 tick actually just touches the 20 MA, tests it. 5-minute chart, just floating around. Also has its own trading range. Hits the bottom of it. All right, Pandas, one more trade. One more trade for the content. We'll take the next reversal here. Get back to the bottom of the trading range. Low probability trade, but good risk reward. Do you believe, Pandas? Do you believe? Do you believe in miracles? Can we get back to the bottom of the trading range, thinking that this price action has shown us the character of today's market, saying today we are going to be a choppy market and we are going to be a trading range. Do you believe, Pandas? Top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. Do you believe? I believe. A6B. Do you believe, Pandas? Can we get back to the bottom of the trading range? Is it possible? Absolutely incredible. Trading range indicator. Low probability, but very good risk reward here. Don't give me free money. Don't even tease me with free money right now. Do not tease me with free money. Do not dare tease me with free money with a failed second entry long here. Don't even think about teasing me, because I'll do it. I will do it. I'll do it if you do it. Ugh. Don't even think about it. Don't even think about giving me free money right now. Are you going to give me free money? Oh boy. Failed second entry. Ooh, alright. Might not even get the setup. Top of the trading range, back to the bottom of the trading range. That's what we're trying to do right now. That's it. That's it. All we're trying to do right now. If I'm scared, I can protect my capital by bringing it to break even +1. So it's a risk-free trade now. Only profits ahead. You also reduce the chances of getting this significantly. Oh, don't give me free money. Is this gonna give me free money, pandas? This might give me free money here. It gives me a fail second entry long. Easiest decision of my life. I'd prefer just to get out if I can, though. Easy peasy. This is not a paid advertisement. What you saw there was real life. Using the trading range indicator to your advantage. Selling at the top. Buying at the bottom. And, it's that easy sometimes, pandas. That easy sometimes. Currently up 1,640. We're more than halfway there, pandas. We're more than halfway there. We're more than halfway there, pandas. 50K challenge. At this rate, hopefully we can finish this by next week. And you know, I most likely will have some red days every once in a while. So I might not get there as quick as I think I'm gonna get there. If I'm at this pace, I'll get there by Tuesday. But if I am thinking what I'm, you know, thinking, then most likely this will take a little bit longer than that. You know, maybe some red days, maybe not such strong green days. It is what it is, though, pandas. We're on a 50K challenge. We're gonna pass it on the stream, and once we pass it, we'll get funded, and then again we will get to withdraw, and we are gonna kill it, pandas. It's pretty close to voting. The voting is 43% Barbie, 57% Oppenheimer, and I think you guys are trolling me. I thought it was gonna be a clear winner, Oppenheimer, but apparently a lot of you guys like Barbie. Is Barbie at least like entertaining? Like, I have zero desire to watch it other than you got amazing actors, so many good actors. Oh man, I should have gone long. I should have gone long right there, back to the top of the trading range. What was I thinking? Psych. Obsessed Trader says, I went to see Oppenheimer for the goofs and giggles, but Barbie has so much meaning and depth to it. Walked out a new man. I can't tell if that's a troll comment or if that's real. I cannot tell. Is Barbie actually deeper than you think? I mean, I have no idea. Second to short here. Barbie is the atomic bomb. Our country needs to wake up. Obsessed says, I have actually heard that Barbie had more depth to it than what most people think. Some girls walked out the theater crying, no joke. Whoa, 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 crying? I don't want to cry. Did people cry coming out of Oppenheimer because it's just so beautiful? I have no idea what the premise of Barbie is. But if I could take a guess, I'm thinking it's about like a girl who's been like basically played with her whole life, and finally she kind of takes control of her own life. That's what I imagine Barbie being in like the ethos of today. I feel like that's what's probably about, because by watching the trailers, I have no idea what even the plot is. Like, what's the plot of it? So, but Oppenheimer has no plot. Maybe it's just like Barbie is a goated movie. You guys really like Barbie, huh? I'm surprised. I'm surprised. Hey, I'll check it out. Hey, no, I'm open. I'm open. I mean, Oppenheimer, I guess, has a plot to make a bomb. It should be like a race, right? A race to who creates the atomic bomb first. At least if that's like close to like history. Barbenheimer. Some people got really creative with Barbenheimer with the trailers. They like mixed the Barbie theme with Oppenheimer. They made it like much brighter, and then with Barbie, they made it like dark and scary. I thought it was pretty creative. I had a laugh. A6 says, you will have tears of joy when you go to Barbie. I'm not gonna lie, the campaigning on Barbie was insane. I mean, they did an amazing job marketing it. A movie seemingly about dolls. They got like they really invested a lot in it. I guess you gotta go all the way. Okay, interesting. Might test a 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Coming to it. Breaking down now. It was a double top rather than a double bottom. M, right? When it looks like an M, it's M for murder. Excuse me. All right, so just kind of curious what's gonna happen here. Okay, no strong close underneath the neckline here. Obsessed trader keeps talking about this alien whistleblower. I have not seen it. Coming back up to the top of the trading range? Possibly. Possibly. Trading range indicator. Amazing. All right. Maybe coming back to the top of the trading range. Oh, trading range indicator. Okay. It is what it is. All right, Pandas. With that being said, hey, Pandas, have an amazing weekend, everybody. We're up 358 today. We are well on our way finishing this 50K challenge to get funded. And once we get funded, Pandas, we are going to be in good shape because, Pandas, trust me, it's going to be better than the 300K account because we're going to be able to withdraw it from it multiple times, only needing $2,600 to withdraw from it. So, Pandas, just get ready. Even though it's a 50K account, it doesn't matter. It doesn't even matter because it's about how much money you can make on it. All right, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Make sure you guys take advantage of BBM 80 while it still lasts. And with that being said, Pandas, have an amazing weekend. Restore that mental capital. And yeah, hey, and if you're a Christian, I hope you enjoy your Sabbath. I hope you enjoy worshiping with the Lord. Pandas, I'll see you guys next week. Stick to the plan. Good things will happen. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.